Hello everyone, wish you a very happy Sunday and welcome to another round of Chitter Chatter. Today we have with us actor Vicky Arora. You have seen his current series Akkad Bakkad Rafu Chakkar and we're going to chit chat with him about this show and a lot more. He's been acting for a while, a lot of ad films, a lot of series, some of the movies. So we're going to talk about this web series and a lot more. So I'm going to send him a request and we're going to get started with our chit chat. Thank you everyone for joining this chitter chatter, removing time on a Sunday. And in case you miss anything, this is gonna be later on the IGTV and also on YouTube and Spotify. Vicky's here, so let's send him a request and let's get started. Vicky, I can't see you on the live, so can you send me a request so that we get started? I know you're here, but just try sending me a request. Hello, Martin. Hello, Salman. Hello, Shubhu Fernandez. Hello, Mr. Gopal. Jaipur King 0786. I can't add you. It's Vicky Arora. I've sent him a request and we're going to get started. So, any questions you want to ask Vicky besides the ones that you DM me, please feel free to ask. Hello, hi.
What's up? Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I am good, enjoying the Sunday.
And how have you been enjoying the crazy response that you're getting for your current show, Akkad Bakkad Rafu Chakkar?
Oh, I can't thank enough because I've been receiving so many DMs and messages and calls from my friends from abroad. They've really enjoyed the performance and it really fills my heart with immense gratitude. Thank you so much for liking Bhargav Sharma so much. And yeah, I just can't thank enough. It just I still receive messages like hundreds of messages on a daily basis, so it's amazing.
How did this show happen? Like, tell us your journey for it.
Uh, so to be honest, in 2020, I got a call from Raj sir during the lockdown, and he called me and he's like, these were his first words. He's like, buddy, I'm making a show, and the character's name is Bhargav, and you are doing this. I was I was surprised, and plus I was also happy that my director believes in me so much, and so he didn't tell me anything about the character. He just sent me two lines, and I connected with it so much that I was like, okay, this is pretty interesting, and I've got to give my best. So yeah, that's how it happened. And then later I was called in the office. I was given the script, and I read it, and it was just so exciting because it's about a scam which has never been seen before. We've seen a lot of scams, but like it's about a bank scam which has never been seen before. So yeah, I am blessed, and I'm really excited to be a part of it.
You know, his sudden demise shocked a lot of us, and you
Yeah.
closely with him, and practically you've been a part of his last project. So, how was how difficult was you to overcome this whole loss?
I mean, see, it's difficult to put it into words, to be honest. Like it's some it has been overwhelming also for all of us. Uh, but there's just this one thing about Russell, whenever you think about him and you only think about the good things and the good memories that you have had with him, he's about his smile, his passion for work, and you can always feel welcome around him, and he would always like guide you and support you and make you feel special. So yeah, I mean, these were his qualities, and there's just so much to learn from him, and and he used to say these quotes that what कि सीन का सूर्य है सुर को पकड़ो and Om Namah Shivaya whenever we would start shooting or whenever we do a backup he would always say Om Namah Shivaya जितना हो गया ठीक है जितना अपना बेस्ट दिया बस बहुत है and at the end of all my scenes he would tell me that what तुझ में है तुझ में है in fact we ended up using this line also in one of the scenes so like it was always a big fat celebration when we were working with him.
So, while we are talking about the big fat celebration and him quoting "Tujh mein hai," a lot of people here are saying, "Hello, Vicky bhai, tujh mein hai." They're sending Shruti. hearts to you. Afroz Sheikh is sending hugs to you. Karishma Watani is sending hugs and saying, "Ha, tujh mein hai." And a lot more of your fans are also quoting, "Ha, Vicky, tujh mein hai."
Right.
So, we
Amazing. Thank you
have
so
been
much,
doing
guys.
for a very long time. And
Yeah.
some of your commercials are really super and quite heart touching. Like, I know the brands you know. So, can you tell us about your modeling journey?
Modeling. Like, I've never done ramp walk, by the way, sorry.
हाँ, मतलब ad
But
modeling.
but ad
Oh,
films.
Sari
See,
saying that
I'll what? Who's that?
Regina Sari is live and she's saying big fan, so
She's so sweet. She's seen me from like nothing, and she's always been supportive of my work. Like big hugs to you too, Rishina Kandari. Thank you so much.
yeah,
So
this
yeah,
is
I mean, see,
so
I've like a habit of keeping a record of each and every audition that I've ever done. मुझे और कुछ नहीं आता था. I knew that I had no contacts. I had nothing when I started. I knew nothing about the industry. Auditions कहाँ होते हैं, किनको मिलना है, who are the casting directors. I would always watch films and go to the very end and see the list of all those titles and then know okay, okay, so and so person is the casting director and so person is the director or the producer on the films. So yeah, I mean that's where I got the names. That's where I would try to connect with them on Facebook, and I would make each and every audition ka record it on an Excel sheet. And I can tell you for sure, I still have the Excel sheet, and I've given about 6,210 auditions in 9 years, and these are
oh
the auditions where I would actually fit the role. It's actually double the number in rejections because to go to these auditions, like for an example, if I'm giving 3 auditions on a daily basis, this is the average. So I would be going to at least 8 to 9 places where I would get rejected saying, "Okay, sorry sir, आपके लिए कुछ नहीं है," or "Sorry sir, you do not fit this character." So yeah, I've been through that, and I just realized I just told myself one thing कि भाई लग तो तेरा काम नहीं करने वाला है. So let's see what's gonna work. Okay, so I've realized that the game of averages always work. The more auditions you give, the more number of people you meet. I mean, it has to work. Like, अब मतलब मैं अपने आप को यही बोलता था कि यार अगर मैं 100 ऑडिशन दूंगा क्या मैं एक में भी सिलेक्ट नहीं हुआ क्या मैं इतना बुरा हूँ सो फिर भी मुझे 300 ऑडिशन लगे अपनी पहली एड फिल्म क्रैक करने में इट टुक मी अबाउट 6 months approximately to get to my first ad film. So yeah, that's how the ad film structure started, and after that I've been doing 1 or 2 ads or 3 ads or 4 ads on a monthly basis, and then the numbers started increasing, and like now it's more than 200 ad films. So yeah, I'm glad.
wow, that's a journey and quite a motivating one with the documentation that you've given that these many auditions you did and this much time you took to crack and then how the journey is taken.
Yeah, a lot of my colleagues and my friends started saying कि यार तू तो बहुत ऐड करता है तू तो बहुत ऐड करता है मैंने बोला मैं बहुत ऑडिशन लेता हूँ बहुत लोगों से मिलता हूँ तब जाके ये कुछ एड्स मुझे मिलती हैं and then you know what like I mean it feels good like so this is what I'm saying that the more you work the luckier you get.
So that is something I'm going to highlight for all the viewers here. The more you work, the luckier you get. So don't just sit
Yeah,
at home. Oh, I'm not lucky, or I wish I was lucky. Go ahead, do the hard work, just like Vicky's done, and he's been getting the fruits for it. So tell me, Vicky, lately, your ads are on air. We saw some that you've posted also. So
right.
which are some ads that are really close to you?
Right. See, all of them are really, really close to me. I've always believed to give my best in everything that I do. I've loved to work on the details of it, but there is this one ad film which I did for a big brand commercial. Like it got so big that even the news channel started covering it, talking specifically about that particular ad film. And it's about unlikely friendship of two friends where one of the guys is actually a mute guy and I'm playing the mute guy and it's just so touching and I felt so honored and humbled to be a part to become a character who's mute and to represent somebody uh, like I mean it's just amazing to convey without saying anything and I'm so glad that I could represent that. And yeah, I do feel special playing that character.
That is one ad of yours. You know it. I've told you multiple times that it's one of my favorite ads, and I keep
Right.
watching it every time. In fact, I've watched it so many times once you uploaded it also because it's actually a ad that actually touches your heart. And as usual, you're good in it. So I don't
Thank
have
you.
to compliment you over and over again. I've complimented you enough on your work always. So, Vicky, now Akkad Bakkad is doing so well. What are the next things that are online happening for you?
So basically, I've finished shooting for a film called Om, The Battle Within, which is directed by Kapil Verma, the same director who directed Niti Shastra also. And yeah, I'm really excited about this one because unlike Bhargav Sharma, like the character I played in Akkad Bakkad, who's very serious, बहुत ही गंभीर है. He's like, you know what, always with a deadpan face and very few expressions, a lot of intensity. This character that I'm playing in Om, his name is Rohit Vyas, and he's the complete opposite of Bhargav Sharma. So that's why I'm really excited about this one, and it's gonna be like the date is not announced yet, but definitely we are looking at a release somewhere in next year.
So, ads, web series, movies. What is it that you enjoy the most when you're in front of the camera?
Yeah, I just love being in front of the camera, to be honest. Like I'm the happiest person on earth when I'm in front of the camera. Or if I'm on set, you know what, because it just fills my heart and I feel like I've become like it becomes my duty to entertain. So it's not just I'm entertaining people on screen, entertaining people even on set. So I really, really enjoy my work. Give me anything, give me OTT, give me ad films, or give me a film. Like I would love to perform.
You know, as an actor, fitness is also important. So, how do you take care of your regime, your fitness regime as an actor?
So I'm so glad you brought up this question because sometimes it becomes really, really hard for an actor to focus on the fitness aspect because uh, sometimes these shoot timings they just take a toll on your sleep cycle, so they just take a toll on your health completely. I mean, like my parents always say, I always look eternally tired, so I so I try. So I try and take up rules which you know with जहाँ जो मेरे look और मेरे tiredness के साथ match हो जाए. No, but like to be on a serious note, I think it's really really important. One really needs to take care of what you eat because you are what you eat, and extremely important to go hit the gym because you know when you sweat you actually release a lot of cortisols. It's also good for your mental health and yeah, just eat good, sleep on time. Please party if you want to celebrate something, but otherwise do not party. Uh, and yeah, yeah, so that's it. Like go hit the gym, eat good food, sleep on time, and party only when you want to celebrate something.
Wow, that's one nice, simple regime. Little difficult to follow, but not that difficult. And the best thing is how you say I look internally tired, so I choose only roles like that.
Like I was so glad that Bhaga Sharma actually did not have to look like a city boy because I had to put on weight for it and I had so much of samosas and jalebis that it was a blast. It was a blast to play Bhargav Sharma, to be honest. I mean, very hard working though, but yes, I mean, it was fun preparing for this one.
If there was something as an actor that you feel that, I need to do, or how do you retrospect on the projects that you've already done?
Like if I could have done it better, like
Yeah.
or
So the kind who, after the shoot gets done, so you'll keep thinking and retrospecting, Are ye kar leta, wo kar leta. Or you are the kind who thinks, does it all and thinks like, okay, done, now next.
yeah, see, to be honest, I think if you retrospect, I mean, that's a good thing in a way, but don't be attached to it because it's just a waste of time because you've already done that. Now nothing can change it. So the only person who is responsible for your feedback should be your director. If your director is happy, then I think you should be happy because it's his vision, it's his project, it's his baby, and if he's confident and if he's sure enough. then I don't think there's any point of you thinking over it again and again. It's time for you to move on, prepare the next scene, or just you focus on the next project. I mean, that's how it should be, because otherwise you will just end up thinking about all the other projects that you have already done, and I mean, it it's in the past, so just let it be there. So, and you just need to be constantly evolving and just moving on to the next project.
Talking about moving on, you've done TV, you've done web series, you've done ad and movies. So, which medium do
Yeah, I've
you
moved
enjoy?
on a lot in life.
Yeah, now that I know you've done a lot, so what do you enjoy the most?
I really enjoy the detail work uh, in ad films, uh, and I've done that for the longest time, and I still enjoy it. But there is something about long formats which lets you hold the character for a little longer, and it's just amazing what all can you reveal about it, and make the audience connect with it, and showcase the magic that you want to for the audience to feel. So it's just something amazing about long formats. So be it television, again, it just depends, like, what do you bring to the table? It all comes down to just one thing. And yeah, just be so good so they can't forget you. So yeah, that's it.
So, if I had to say Vicky Arora in one line as an actor, what would it be?
Uh, he's driven. He's a driven actor, and he would not stop at anything, without giving his best.
Wow. And now I'm going to play a little game with you before we end our chitter chatter. Are you ready? I'm going to take some names, and the first thing that comes to your mind is what you have to say. And you don't have enough time to think.
So this is a rapid fire, basically.
Yeah, something like a rapid fire. You have to rapid firely answer. Well, I am going to take my own time to question and take the names.
Do I need to warm up a bit for this? Or no?
Uh, no, what you bring on the table is fine. You don't need to
Okay.
for it.
All right, let's do this.
So, well, we have here Poonam Jalan saying his eyes speak more than he does. Very expressive eyes. Oh, let's have this kind of a selfie moment with your expressive
No.
eyes before we start our. So, yeah, ready for your expressive eyes. Aja wapas, give that expressive eyes moments that you just gave
No,
her.
no, 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 no.
Listen, it's for the viewers. You can't do that.
I've see, I'm a one take artist, so I only do it once. So
Okay, so let's start our game. Tufan,
uh boxing.
Urli,
Huh? Uri.
Uri,
Uri. Guns.
Commando 3,
Uh Close combat.
Niti Shastra,
Tapsi Pannu.
Akkad Bakkad Rafu Chakkar,
Raj Kaushal.
खजूर पे अटके,
Khajur.
date night,
Friendship.
never ending questions,
Romantic.
bad day,
Funny.
a journey,
Sentimental.
Natu Natwarlal,
Notorious.
रब से सोना इश्क,
Uh, Fun. Pleasure. एक ही वर्ड बोलना. Sorry.
दूध ठीक है दूध बोल दे चलेगा अलाउड
Uh,
है we won't
uh,
punish
yeah. Yeah. Fun. A lot of fun.
Amazon Prime,
Blessed.
love by chance,
Best ever.
beach of house,
क्या है? आलू गोभी हायो रब्बा.
ये तो मतलब दो शब्द से आगे हो गए
हाँ, तो ये गुरिंदर चड्ढा का डायलॉग है ना, वो आलू गोभी हायो रब्बा, लाइक like bend it like Beckham.
Gurinder Chadda.
Uh, Powerhouse of energy.
Raj Kaushal.
तुझ में है.
Advertisements.
Uh,
Web series.
uh, Web series. Um, Akkad Bakkad.
Movies.
Om.
Television.
Television. Uh, Shit, I'm taking much time. Ek Hasina Thi.
And lastly, Chitter Chatter with Shweta Roira.
Class
Too
friend.
much
Classroom friend. School friend. We are
thank
benchmates.
Benchmates. Actually,
You know,
it's
this
correct.
this could actually be the title for some project.
Yeah,
Benchmates. Yeah.
like, hello, if people are making Benchmates, then you have the cast already
Yeah,
ready.
already.
ज़्यादा काम भी नहीं करना पड़ेगा.
बिल्कुल भी नहीं करना पड़ेगा. कास्ट एकदम रेडी है. ना कैरेक्टर पे काम करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि कैरेक्टर्स भी रेडी है.
So yeah, anybody, if you're ready to produce Benchmates, we are already here. And thanks, Vicky, for your lovely time for Chitter Chatter, and all the best for all your projects. And guys, if you haven't watched his Akkad Bakkad Rakfu Chakkar still, then please go on Amazon Prime, do watch it, and do DM him and tell him how did you like his role, how did you like his character, and what did you think he brought on table while you watched the web series.
Right. Thank you so much, Shweta. This has been amazing. Like this has been so. Thank you for introducing me in such an amazing and special manner. Thank you.
Happy Sunday. See you soon.
Right. Thank you. You too. Bye.